Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell right here on HFM. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple. You go right here to home, select right here live or demo, select then right here trade and then click here on the MT5 web terminal. Then make sure that you log in with your account with using your login ID and your password. And then right now we can start buying. If you want to buy something specific, you can search right here for that one that you want to buy. So for now, I'm buying something on the Euro USD chart right here. That is fine. Then we click here on new order. And then right now, what we need to do is fill in how much volume we want to buy. So we will buy right here 1,000 euros. So a volume of 0.01. And then if you want to buy this, we can simply click right here on buy by market. If you want to sell, it's exactly the same. New order, select how much, and then we click right here on sell by market. And this is exactly what you need to know. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.